Hey everyone, what's going on? Should have a fun one today. Gonna go up to Sunshine Bottoms. It's a little below Yankton on the Missouri River, Nebraska side. Really cool place, private runway there, cabin right on the Missouri. And most people in Nebraska think of the Missouri and it's kind of a gross river, but up there, water is really clear, turquoise. It'll be fun.
I'm gonna need someone to hold me down. I'm gonna need someone to care. I'm gonna ride and shake my body. I'll start pulling out my hair. I'm gonna cover myself with the ashes of you, and nobody's gonna give a damn. Son of a bitch, give me a drink. One more night, I just can't fit me. Son of a bitch, if I can't get clean.
Should be good. May 19th, 2023, here we roll.
Now for 17 years I've been throwing them back. 17 more will bury me. And somebody please just tie me down. Or somebody give me a goddamn drink. Son of a bitch, give me a drink. One more night, this can't fit me. Son of a bitch, if I can't get clean, I'm gonna drink.
Yeah, Steven.
Victory beer.
My taxi.
Something's happening.
Teal. What you doing, girl?
My heart is breaking.
How are you? That was a fun flight right there. Windy as shit coming up here. 25 knot headwind. Made it.
How many miles do you think that we just flew?
I don't know. I don't know. Oh God! What a sweet place this is, though. We'll see the river tomorrow. River's awesome. Can't beat this runway though. River's like 50 yards away. Over yonder. Fired it up! Woo!
Little private beach. I don't know if that's the right form. Like maybe you could get different shorts or something.
This is great.
Or wear a shirt.
videotaping?
You could wear a shirt, maybe.
That's never happened. White claw, I got pink pineapple shorts on camera.
Speaker, microphone.
Fishing pole, and a phone. It's peak male performance. Boom.
All you need is a Bud Light.
There we go.
That's him.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Fight to him.
Usually do.
You ever eaten a pike?
Yep. You?
No.
Good. Tastes a lot like walleye, actually. Oh, we're eating that for sure.
What is that?
Beautiful. Hold it up.
found a true love in Malibu, but that water was a little too cold. Yeah, I left a few tears in the rear view, one or two that were hard to forget. Why you think we call the present, 'cause there ain't no better gift than here and now, nowhere else in this world tonight. You and me ain't a good.
Someone's doing some work this morning.
Ain't no better place, ain't no better time. Here and now, everybody's waiting, but they're waiting on what?
So it's final cord.
Better get to living, 'cause all we got is here and now. A lot of people dreaming about a one-day Sundays, waiting just around the bend. I used to be one wondering when they come, but now I'm living in. Yeah, I'm living in the heat.
Seems we figured out a more efficient and less intensive way to do sticks.
Everybody's waiting, but they're waiting on what? Better get to living, 'cause all we got is here and now.
Hey you guys, what's going on? Really nice out here today. So set some cones up on the runway. Gonna practice some STOL stuff. Try to get ready for Wayne next weekend. Set the cones up 300 yards apart, or not 300 yards, but 300 feet apart. And if I can take off and land within that distance.
You keep on flirting, 'cause you know that it's working. You're stuck in my head, girl, riding the lines. Couldn't sing a song without you if I tried. Let's light it up like it's our last night. We're just hanging around, burning it down, sipping on some cold Jack Daniels, jamming to some old Alabama with you, baby, laying right here, naked in my bed. I'm just doing my thing. You love it when I sing. Singing makes you feel like an angel. Be about to get a little tangled right about now. So girl, let's keep burning it down, burning it down.
Well, I was close. Didn't quite get under the 300 foot. Trying to aim for 600 total, but getting there. We'll get her done.
Let's hit the switch and let our shadows dance and light it up like it's our last chance. We're just burning it down.
So we've flown, we fished, we caught some fish, and you know what we gotta do now? It's time to cook the fish. So I'm gonna fry it today. I'm gonna do it with some cornmeal, flour, and then some seasoning. Gonna make tacos, so I put some taco seasoning in there. Pretty simple stuff, really. This will be a real thin layer of batter, so you taste the fish and not just a bunch of flour.
I wanna rock it all night, baby girl, will you rock it out? I wanna crawl through the dark just to feel your heartbeat against me.
The final product here.
I wanna rock it all night, baby girl, will you rock
What the
it
fish
out?
look like.
I wanna crawl through the dark just to feel.
Hey guys, if you made it this long, appreciate you watching. If you're still watching, make sure you like it, because if you watch this long and you don't like the video, then what the hell are you doing? Anyways, not a lot of hunting to do right now. If any of you in the south have some land with some hogs, I'd love to fly down to the south and do an episode hog hunting. Reach out to me if you have any options. If not, we'll see you on the next one.